Number 4, the fourth error, I read, fixtures and fittings costing 12 million had been debited to repairs account. Had been debited to repairs account. That is an error. That is an error in accounting. Fixtures and fittings costing 12 million had been debited to repairs account. When you buy assets, which accounts are affected? The accounts are affected are the respective asset account and bank or cash. So these are fixtures and fittings account. Okay? Had been debited to repairs account. So the error is repairs account. So instead of debiting this account, the repairs account was debited. When buying, you credit the bank account, debit fixtures and fittings account. So instead of debiting this account, the repairs account was debited. The rule is when buying assets, debit the respective assets account, credit the bank account. This is an error. So which type of error is this? This type of an error is known as the error of principle. The error of what? Error of principle. Making entries in the wrong account. So how do we correct? How do we correct? There is an error in this account. This amount should not appear in this account. The amount is 12 million. There is 12 million debited in this account. So for us to remove candidates, you don't rub. You don't do like this. No, that's not how we effect errors in accounting. We correct errors by making entries. So if there is an error here that was made in this account, to remove this 12 million, we have to just credit this account. When you credit this account with 12 million, assuming there is no any other transaction that affected the repairs account, you see there is nothing on this account. If you are to balance this side, there is nothing. So by crediting this account, we remove the 12 million. That is single entry. Then the corresponding debit entry will be to debit this account, because this ought to have been debited. This account ought to have been debited with 12 million. Therefore, the amount, the narration here will be repairs and fixtures and fittings. So this is correction in the ledgers. But we are required to prepare first of all the general journal. So which account is debited? Which account here is debited? Fixtures and fittings is debited. Fixtures and fittings, 12 million. Repairs is credited, 12 million. The narration to correct error of principle. To correct error of principle. The error of principle has been corrected.